Use cases. Click on the Use Cases tab to see our growing list of use cases. We are continuing to build our library of use cases and welcome contributions. For this example, we will use the pandemic response use case, which is based on the excellent work done by Digital Square. This use case shows how we can leverage digital technologies at different phases of a pandemic response. Perhaps we're looking for tools that will help us manage our supply chain for critical resources such as testing kits or PPE. Scroll down to see the various steps that make up this use case. Select the supply chain step to find information on how we can utilize supply chain software in many different stages of a pandemic response. Scrolling down, we see that a supply chain solution is made up of several different technology building blocks. Finally, we see existing products that can be used for managing supply chains. In this case, let's take a closer look at OpenLMIS. Again, we find detailed information about the product, who funds and maintains it, any endorsements from organizations like DPGA or Digital Square, and information on where it has been deployed.